Hey, Rainbow here. How are you? Guess what I'm going to talk about today? It's going to be quick, simple, and easy. How about tires? All right. Let me explain something to you. This is a 2020 Indian Scout Bobber. It came with these Pirelli MT60 tires. That's what it came with. That's not what this is. The Pirelli MT60s are basically like an adventure tire. And I talked about this before. I think the only reason why they would have ever put the tires on a bike like this is really for the look, just to kind of make it look a little bit more badass, okay? So, as you may have seen before in one of my previous videos, I got about 6,300 miles out of the rear tire for this particular bike, okay? Now, I had to change front and back because I had an option. Well, what am I going to do? Am I going to change just the rear with another MT60 so I have a match, and then when that burns down, then I'll change them front and back at the same time? But what I opted to do was put on the Michelin Commander 3 tires. All right, so this is what I have to say about this, okay? As far as I am concerned, okay, these Michelin Commander 3s are a significantly different feel than those adventure tires, all right? My adventure tires with those Pirellis, which were great tires, I was very comfortable. I knew where the edges were. I knew how far I could push it. Of course, not too far because, you know, you start scraping pegs. But anyway, I felt really comfortable with them. Good for cornering. The only time that I slipped with them was when I was in the rain, or it was just after rain, going over those thick white stripes on the road. They are like, well, they're just like ice. But anyway, now that I put these on, completely different feel. This bike was very fast and nimble. It's not going to really change the speed, but it is significantly more nimble than it was. Now, with the old ones, what I had was a pressure of 36 in the front, and I started out with 40 in the rear, and I ended up dropping that down to 36. So I was actually running 36 to kind of soften things up a little bit, because the ride on these things are not too great because you have about 2 inches of travel here in the back, okay? With these rear shocks. Now, I did make an adjustment. We talked about that. You see, I have about 6 to 7 threads showing now, and that's because I put a pillion seat on there, and I've had passengers on this before. I've had a few passengers on it, and I just felt as though I needed to kind of stiffen it up a little bit by giving myself a little bit more spring with the additional weight. Now, when I picked up this bike after getting the tires changed, the mechanic who changed them, who was used to be a Harley dealer mechanic, first of all, he was surprised at how fast this bike was. He did not know that this bike was this powerful and this fast, this Indian Scout Bobber. So that's the first thing. But he went and he set my pressures to 42 in the back and 38 in the front. Well, I didn't like the feel of that. And when I picked it up, it was at night. I put about 20 miles on it that night. It was extremely nimble, but it was so different than what I was used to. And the ass end, it was getting a little bumpy for me. So this morning, I dropped this pressure down to, where am I at here? I dropped this pressure down to 40 in the rear and 36 in the front. And that's actually exactly what the bike calls for. So far, I've been really happy with that. It seemed to soften up the ride a little bit. I don't have anyone on the back, today, so I can't really judge it. But honestly, this is not the kind of bike where you put someone on the back on a regular basis. Now, something to talk about with these Michelin Commanders, okay? They're supposed to last significantly longer than the previous tires, and they're supposed to be one of the better tires for grip. So one of the things I found out is that I stick to the surface a lot better. These are really sticky tires, and they're going to last longer. The problem I have in Florida is we don't have a lot of twisties, so I think I told you this before, sometimes I go to a roundabout just to have some fun. Anyway, so These tires are stickier, they're gonna last longer, and they're supposed to be even better than what I had in the rain with this particular pattern on here. So I can't wait to see how much life I'm gonna get out of these tires. But right now, I will tell you that if you convert over from the stock MT60s by Pirelli, those adventure tires, to these particular tires, they are really two completely different tires. Very, very, very different tires. And what you're gonna find out is, oh, and these are the Commander 3 Cruisers. They have Commander 3 Cruiser and they have Commander 3 Touring. I got the Cruiser because, well, hey, this is a Cruiser. But night and day with the feel, this thing is so much more nimble, very responsive. The size for the ones that I have here are these 130/90s B16s, that's the front. And if you buy these in Revzilla, both of them are pushing the $200 mark, probably 180 range for each one of these. You might find a better deal somewhere else, but plan on dumping close to 400 bucks just for the tires themselves, okay? With that being said, I think that's it. If you have any questions, comment below, but I cannot emphasize enough what a significant difference it is in feel of going to these tires, especially coming from the stock Pirellis that came on as 2020 Indian Scout Bobber. I mean, this is literally like night and day, and I'm gonna keep messing with the pressures a little bit. But right now, I'm pretty content with actually having them at the factory specs for what the factory recommends with those other tires. But right now, it's working with these. Not quite as exciting as that thing, which isn't mine. That's a whole other story. That's not mine. I'm doing someone a favor. That thing's it's a nightmare. But anyway, that's it. Thought you would enjoy this. Rainbow, I am out, and please comment below. Bye.